We were promised the future. A world where robot butlers handle everything. They would cook, they would clean, they would fold our laundry with laser precision. Even anime showed us the dream. A perfect, helpful robot in every home. Nadia, show me the video that has the entire internet losing its mind.
Of course, Mike. Displaying the Figure 02 demonstration.
This is what we're excited about? This thing is just folding a towel. My grandma, who is 80, could fold 20 towels in the time it takes for this thing to do just one. This isn't the future, this is just slow. What's so exciting about this?
From a technical perspective, Mike, this represents a significant milestone in fine motor skills and AI learning.
Significant milestone? Nadia, come on. Come on. You were promised this. And we got this.
If you think that's slow, let me show you the internet's other favorite robot, displaying the Boston Dynamics Atlas demonstration.
Yep, there it is. I got to see Atlas's high-tech ass picking up trash off the floor. This is the scam I'm talking about, Nadia. It's a tech demo, not a product. Man, I miss the Steve Jobs days. He'd get on stage, drop the iPhone and say, "It's available Tuesday, homie." Boom, lines around the block. These guys, they just show us a robot picking up a bag of chips and say, "Hey, hold on, man, the future's coming now. You just hold on tight, bruh." Come on, man. It's a slow roll to nothing.
Well, Mike, unlike an iPhone, a robot that can't distinguish between a trash bag and the family cat is a slightly more complicated liability issue. And yes, that makes it incredibly expensive.
Okay, fine. Complicated and expensive. So if the US is stuck in beta mode, who's winning? You know me, I'm a worldly guy. Show me what the rest of the world is cooking.
Displaying Neo Gamma from 1X Technologies, currently being tested in real-world home environments.
Okay, this one is a little bit more smooth. You know, it's moving like it's walking on invisible jello. It's quicker bringing me the coffee though. I like that. Okay, what about China? What do they have? They're living in the future, right? Show me the Chinese robot butlers.
China's strategy is basically, yes, they're firing on all cylinders, but it's a scattershot. You've got a ton of different companies all claiming they've cracked it, but it's like watching a dozen different streamers all trying to speedrun the same game using different glitches.
Okay. I guess we're seeing some progress, but I see a lot of people with joysticks. I see a lot of people still training things. It just doesn't feel like China's ready either.
Okay, how about Unitary Robotics? They have made significant progress with their R1 model.
That's not a butler. That's just a very expensive toddler learning to walk, and they're charging like, what, $6K for this, I hear? The dream is a robot that moves like this. The reality, I feel like we're paying $6,000 to fund some of their robotic endeavors. And that's the real scam, Nadia. It's not that the tech is bad, it's the hype. They treat us like we're investors in the Kickstarter, showing us one perfect prototype photo, but never the 50 failed prints. And they don't get it. People are already a little sketched out by the humanoid robots. Hiding all the mistakes and pretending you're perfect doesn't build trust. It just makes us wonder, what else are you hiding? Show us the bloopers. Be real with us for once.
You want the blooper reel? Challenge accepted. Compiling the known fails. It's not a long list. They are very good at PR. But I found some from Boston Dynamics, Unitary, and a few others.
They sell us the highlight reel, but the reality is it's still a blooper reel.
Mike, that is the nature of innovation. Every great technology begins with failures. These are not scams, they are necessary steps.
Sheesh. This too? Man, that guy almost got taken out. But they're selling us the dream of a perfect anime butler. And what we have right now is just not it. So, are robot butlers a scam? For now, kinda. The dream is real, but the reality has a lot of catching up to do. But what do you guys think? Are you ready to let an Optimus bot do your chores, dishes, or are you waiting? Let me know in the comments down below. Fittingly, the quote for this week comes from the show Psychopaths. Hope you enjoy.
According to a recent survey, a supermajority of respondents said they'd be uncomfortable with any more than 50% of their bodies being replaced with cybernetics.
I understand the hesitance the public still has on this issue. But we're all more machine than we realize. Take you, for instance. You're already quite the cyborg.
Mr. Senkuji, I assure you I have no artificial arms, legs, eyes, or other body parts.
But you do carry around a portable information terminal, don't you?
Well, yes. But doesn't everyone?
And a costume device?
Of course.
And your home's functions are all fully automated with an AI secretary, yes?
Yes.
So what would happen to you if all your settings and data in those devices were to be lost in some kind of disaster?
I guess I wouldn't be able to do any work until they were restored.
When you hand over so much of your life and work to digital devices, the insistence you're not a cyborg doesn't sound very convincing anymore, now does it? For you, all these terminals and AI programs are practically a second brain. Am I right? It's said the arc of progress is the expansion of the body's functionality. That means man's history is also the history of cyberization, and vice versa. Like I said, we're more machine than we think.
As always, if you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, catch the next vibe. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.